Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Dreame H11 Max Wet and Dry Vacuum. This was very kindly sent to me by the manufacturer. I will leave a link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. We get some paperwork, a quick start guide. It's letting us know here we need to charge the cleaner for 5 hours before we start using it. It gives a run time of 36 minutes. Information on that side. A well-written instruction booklet in different languages. We get a charger. Because I'm in the UK, I will need an adapter. Now I could plug it into my mains. That's the end of the charger. A cleaning brush that looks like a toilet brush. If I open this, we have a little blade in there. That's to cut any hair caught up around the roller. A spare filter. Spare roller. That's to hold the roller and the cleaning brush. The charging / cleaning base has 2 contact points there where the cleaner will sit. Some branding there. 4 rubber pads at the bottom so it won't slip. You could see that little cut out there. That would fit on there. The handle. At the back of the cleaner at the bottom, we have 2 contact points. They match with the contact points on the charging base and the cleaner will start charging. 2 rubber wheels, it won't scratch your floors. 2 little wheels here, that's rubber. Then the roller, turn it over on this side. At the front we've got some stickers here, some branding. We could remove this plastic cover. To remove it, we pull these tabs outwards. This can all be washed. It has some rubber in there. To remove the brush bar, we just pull this tab inwards and pull it out. That's what it looks like from there. It would only go in one way. See that little spindle there sits on there. That's what it looks like from there. It's got them teeth there. So them teeth and that rubber part there, that will stop the brush from getting over wet. As I mentioned before, this would only go on one way. You could see that part there would sit on that spindle. It goes in there. To put the cover back on, you could see them 2 extra parts. Push them towards that there. This does have the 2 tank system, a dirty water tank and a clean water tank. Let's put the handle in. That would only go in one way. Let's just fit. I forgot to show you at the back of the charging base, that's the charging port there. Okay, I need to put this on charge for 5 hours now. That's the on-off button. That is also the auto mode. That's the water absorption mode. That's the self-clean button. That's the dirty water tank. That's the filter. It's got the max line there. That's what it looks like from there. That's the clean water tank. There's no markings on this. You just fill it up to the top with warm water, and you can put some solution in if you want. They do sell their own solution, but there's no solution provided with this cleaner. You could just use any really. Lift up from there. It does have a filter in there. If you live in a hard water area, if you get any particles caught up, it should take care of that. And once you finish cleaning, just rinse that out as well. There's a voice assistant button at the top. Hold it for 3 seconds if you want to change the language. You could also control the volume from there as well. The display, you'll get to see that in action when I turn it on. But the outer bit there will light up green if it's cleaning up normal mess. If it has a lot of mess to clean, it will turn orange. And it says there 50, that's the battery percentage. You could see that little light there that's flashing. Once it says 100 on there, that will stop flashing. Even says their battery status. Auto mode, self-cleaning mode, and then we have the water absorption mode. It also has little symbols there for the dirty water and the clean water. When they need emptying, that will start flashing. I'll come back now once the cleaner is fully charged and we're ready to do some cleaning. Okay, the machine's fully charged. I've put some warm water in there. For the first go, I'm trying it on some dry mess. I've put down some rice, some crackers and some cornflakes. Yeah, it's picked it all up, as you can see. I forgot to mention, I haven't cleaned this floor for over a week because I knew I was going to get this machine. Now I'm going to be trying the water absorption mode. Around that side, yeah. That's it, that's enough, that's enough. Thank you. Let's pick the water up as well. Now we are going to be putting down some pasta sauce. Let's pick that up as well in one pass. I finished doing my kitchen, and as you can see, the floor has come out really good. If I just show you this, it's almost at the max line. Just lift this up. It's in there. And I still have that much clean water left. I've emptied the dirty water tank. I've put some more fresh water in. I'm going to run a self-clean cycle now.
Start self-cleaning. Roller brush cleaning.
There we are. If you have a look at the brush roll.
Start charging.
It's cleaned quite well, that. There is some red colour there. That's the pasta sauce. It's taken that much water. Before I started the self-clean cycle, I refilled the clean water tank to the top. That's how much is left. So it hasn't taken much. The Dreame H11 Max cleans really well. Majority of the time you only need one pass, and because it cleans in one pass, it uses less water and less battery. If you're elderly, this would be a good cleaner for you. It's light, which makes it easy to move around. It's quiet, so you could use it late in the evening without disturbing your neighbours. Only one negative, well, I don't know if it's a negative or it's just this machine. The dirty water tank, I had to push it in with a bit of force because a few times I thought it was in place, but it wasn't, it kept coming out. If you have a Dreame H11 or the Dreame H11 Max, let us know in the comment section what you think. I hope the next model we could use on rugs as well. Thank you to Dreame for sending me this out. It's very important to stress, Dreame just sent me this cleaner out to review. They did not ask me to say anything. They did not ask to see the footage before you guys. No money exchanged hands. I just get to keep the product at the end of this review. Link in the description box. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.